Welcome to Chaos in the Class. I'm Brenda Fuller. This is our book today called Bear Snores On. The dedication page by the author and illustrator says, to Michael, David, and Chrissy, who love to wreak havoc while mom and dad snore on. KW. And from JC, for Alan Baker, my tutor. Bear Snores On, written by Karma Wilson, illustrations by Jane Chapman. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap, with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl, and the night wind sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Okay, everybody, ready? An itty-bitty mouse pitter-pat tiptoe creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Here we go. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Whole mouse," says hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips, wee slurps. Hare burps, big burps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. But the bear snores on. Let me hear you. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They twit and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Now, I don't know about you, but if I had just woken up a big, brown, grizzly bear, I would freeze too. And the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me? I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans. He wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. Now, if you would like to read more books by this author and wonderful illustrator, take a look at all of these other stories that you can check out from your library or the bookstore or order online. And remember, as always, to get that ISBN number back here, which identifies every book that you read. Now, let's talk about something real quick. Onomatopoeia. Can you say that? Onomatopoeia. Try it again. Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia. Well, that's kind of cool. Authors will use fun words for sounds. Like, for instance, we could write, "The car crashed into a tree." Well, that's kind of exciting. Or, crash, bam, the car crashed into the tree. The words crash, bam, those are onomatopoeia words. They are fun little sound devices that an author can sneak into the writing. Try doing that when you're writing this next week. So it's your turn. I want you to play this video again and find all of the onomatopoeia words the author uses. See if you can find them all. Try it out. Now send us a comment on your great super sentence using an onomatopoeia on your own. Write your own onomatopoeia sentence and put it down in the comments so we can share it with each other and enjoy laughing and enjoy writing some rich writing on our own. I would love to hear more about your stories that you write. So if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe buttons so that you can listen to more things as we put them up all year. This is Chaos in the Class. I am Brenda Fuller. Have a great day. Welcome to the class.